These two is super cute. This one is super cute. I love it with the machi headband. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Christine, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new. On today's video, another baby clothing haul. So Dan's co-worker gave Ayla a bunch of cute stuff, so I decided to do a quick baby clothing haul for Ayla. She said that she keeps seeing cute things for babies, so she ended up buying a lot for Ayla. So I'm excited to show with you or share with you what I forgot her name, Paula. I don't remember her name, but she buy a lot of stuff for Ayla, so I decided to share with you, and we're gonna do a quick haul for these babies, whatever, cool babies. It's a random cute stuff, whatever she bought for Ayla. So yeah, probably I'm gonna do the same like her. If I went to like babies aisle, I'm gonna end up like buying everything if I see a lot of like cute stuff for baby. That's probably I'm gonna end up of like buying everything too. Well, I can control myself, but every time I see cute stuff for babies, it's gonna be hard for me to like control myself or ended up of buying things that I can see like super cute stuff for babies. Okay, first we got this super cute pink elephant blanket, plush blanket, 30 by 40. The size is super cute. I love this. It's super soft pink elephant blanket for her. And we got Playtex baby infant washcloth. Ooh, I need this. Yeah, normally when she's taking a bath, I can use this to scrub her body, because it's like a washcloth and especially really soft material for baby, or wiping her face, cleaning her face, something like that. So it's nice to have one. Actually, I don't have washcloth yet, so yay, I got 8-pack of washcloth for like Ayla's gonna take a shower or bath, whatever you call that. And we got super cute Disney baby pacifier, Winnie the Pooh, very cute pacifier, pink, everything is pink. And we got a water bottle brush for cleaning bottle, and again it's pink. It's cute. Actually it's open already, but anyways, it's super cute brush for bottle. And then we got another new 2-pack of milk bottle. It's 6+ months, so probably it's gonna be a while to Ayla use it. Have to wait for like 6 months plus to use this one, but it's nice to have an extra milk bottle. There's a lot. She give a lot for Ayla. And next is the teeter toy, 0 to 18 months. Again, it's pink. Super cute. And we got a hair clip. It's gonna looks like super cute hair clip. I can't wait when Ayla can use that, but right now she don't have a lot of hair yet, but I can't wait. Ayla gonna use that hair clip. And we got 2-pack of head wraps, super cute head wraps for little girls. It's cute, pink and white. Oops, I dropped it. And then headband, 2-pack of headband, super cute 2-pack of head wraps. They call it head wraps. Pink and white. Super cute. I can't wait till Ayla can use it. But right now she's like, she hate touching, she don't like touching her head, so maybe not. Right now, maybe when she turned like 6 months old. And we got a couple clothes. 3 to 6 months. This is probably gonna fit for her already because babies just grow fast now. Ayla, all her like newborn clothes is like too tight already, like tight. So I ended up using her like the 0 to 3 months, and it's like fit perfect for her. So this is super cute dress with a pair of headband and pair of underwear too. It's pink. Probably this one is fit for her already because 3 to 6 months. It looks like it's gonna fit for her already. We'll see, but super cute. The pink dress, I love it. Super cute, very cute. They have so many cute dresses for little girls. They do. And also we got another fair short. Oh, the short is so cute. And also the top, they're matchy. And 3 to 6 months. Probably this is gonna be a while that she can wear it. Oh my god, it's like a, you know, those summer short that we have too, like this style. Super cute short. So probably she's gonna wear it for a while, like 6 months, when she starts like 6 months. And we got this Gerber 3 pair of top, and again it's 3 to 6 months. We got this stripe, a butterfly, pink butterfly, and also kind of pink with a butterfly print on it. Oh, she bought a lot for Ayla. This is a lot. And oh, another cute dress, pair of little white pants, and this is 3 to 6 months. Probably this one is fit for her already. A little bit big, but not bad at all. Again, she's wearing now 0 to 3 months clothes, because all the newborn is not. It's like too tight already. It's not comfy at all. Too tight. I don't like it for her, like really tight clothing. So yeah, that probably fit for her already. Cute, super cute pink dress. And we got 2 sleepwear. A little baby elephant, super cute. 0 to 3 months. Oh, this is probably she can wear it right now. And yeah, another rainbow sleepwear. Oh, this is cute. I need to wash it right away so that she can wear it when she's sleeping. So we got 2 super cute sleepwear. Oh, okay. I think that's it for our baby clothing haul. This is a lot. She gave a lot, and they're all super cute, and she's gonna wear it. Definitely gonna wear these 2 cute pink dress. I can't wait. Maybe I'm gonna take pictures that she's wearing this super cute little pink dress. This is really cute with a matchy headband, and this one too is really cute. But this one, it looks like a little bit bigger. And this one, it looks like fit perfect for her already. This little cute with the apple print on it with the headband. That's gonna fit for her already. So I cannot wait. Ayla can wear some of this cute outfit that dance coworker gave to us. And yeah, that's why I don't like going to the store and then walking to the baby's aisle. I can't. I have to control myself, because if I see something like really cute, especially if I go to the like baby's section, if I see something like really cute, and I'm ending up getting something like really cute just for Ayla. Alright everyone, that's it for our quick baby's clothing haul. This is all free from Dan's coworker. Thank you so much for giving all of this cute stuff for Ayla. And again, I miss filming. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. That's it for today's video, and see you on my next video, I guess. Bye everyone.